Hands are for helping,
Hands are for helping,
not for hitting.
not for hitting.
Hands are for high fives,
Hands are for helping,
not for throwing.
oh, oh, oh.
Safe hands, kind hands every day. That's the MisterC way. I use my hands to build a tower, not to knock it down with power. I clap to cheer, I wave hello. I don't throw toys or push a bro. My hands give hugs, they help me share, not for yanking on someone's hair. Hands are for helping,
Hands are for helping,
not for hitting.
not for hitting.
Hands are for high fives,
Hands are for helping,
not for throwing.
not for oh.
Safe hands, kind hands every day. That's the MisterC way. I use my hands to draw and write, not to scratch or start a fight. I use my hands to pick up trash, give a wave or make a splash. They stay in my bubble, safe and sound, helping friends when they fall down.
If I get mad, I take a breath, then I ask for help instead. My hands stay safe, I use my words. That's how kindness can be heard.
Deep breath. Now let's say it one more time. Hands are for helping,
Hands are for helping,
not for hitting.
not for hitting.
Hands are for high fives,
Hands for throwing,
not for throwing.
not for throwing.
Safe hands, kind hands every day. That's the MisterC way.
MisterC TV. Rubia.